My name's Tyra and I studied design at the University of Huddersfield. I came to Huddersfield in my second year. Living away from home got a little bit too much, and obviously the cost of being a student, I just felt like I needed to come back home really. I looked at Huddersfield as an option, saw that the course was really similar. I decided to apply and I got accepted. People at Huddersfield supported me with the transfer. The tutors here I found were really welcoming, asked me questions about first year and making sure I was up to speed with everyone else in the second year. The tutors really, even though they was really supportive, they made you think for yourself. They made you ask the right questions and they made you go out and speak to real people. And so they gave me the confidence to kind of step out my comfort zone. That's probably helped a lot at work because I do that week in, week out now. The facilities that helped me whilst at Huddersfield has got to be Barbara Hepworth building. Especially if you're coming to do design, like the Barbara Hepworth building is a work of art in itself. We kind of had our own little community upstairs, tucked away in the corner, and we could just bounce ideas off each other. I did my placement at Project Group, and they are an FF&E install and fit out company, including kitchens, bedroom furniture, interior design, multi-million-pound projects. And I started on technical design, so space planning, working with architects' plans, all the way through to building that up in 3D, to then doing all the drawings for those, for the fitters, and to get everything manufactured. When it came to coming back for my final year, I kind of kept my leg in the door and just did 4 hours a week. My favourite project of my time here was final year project. I feel like I came through as a designer because I'd had workplace experience, and so I felt like I pushed myself a little bit more with my final year project. The project I did was a glucose e-ring for measuring type 1 diabetes. It connects to your phone a bit like a Fitbit, and it basically helps them manage their glucose levels. I found a load of stuff out and it was really enjoyable to research all of it.